What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Animal today, marine animal, haven't drawn one in a while. Blue whale, the biggest mammal, or even like the biggest creature, am I right? Biggest animal in existence. Very, very cool creatures these. Their language and everything, it's kind of cool when you like learn about them. And how far they travel to like breed and all that kind of stuff, it's cool. They're very interesting creatures. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. It's kind of a torpedo with fins and an eye. Go. So I'm going to put the eye here. So it's kind of like curved up. If you've seen the thumbnail anyway, you know. So we'll go top eyelid here. Right. So this is like his eye shape, right? It always like reminds me of a lemon, kind of like a pointy lemon. And then so he's got like, he does have like an iris and a pupil as far as I know. You could just do it black and add like a white highlight if you didn't want to draw the circles. That's the iris. And then I think I'll give him a pupil as well. As far as I know, this is the way their eyes are. Sometimes they just look black, but that's more shark-like. I always think of whales and they have like more intelligence, so. But you know, who knows? So I always think of them have more human eyes. So we give skin around, you know, wrinkles just sort of around their eye like that, sort of carving around everything. And then, so his mouth, so he's got like these wrinkle lines that kind of follow around and like go all the way to his shoulder nearly. So you can do as much of this now as you want, but. Bum, 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 bum. So this sort of brow, this line goes all the way up nearly to the top of the snout. So it like goes real high, like that. And then we do get like his snout somewhere up here, so it goes like up and over. It's like his top lip, sort of there. And then it meets his bottom lip. Which travels back down towards the eye. And then this goes this way then. So again, he's just like a torpedo. So very sort of straight, sort of, not very smooth. And this end will go like that, right? There's all like wrinkles and details and stuff in here. So this is like his mouth sort of area here, which goes down. And then it kind of like wrinkles, but like becomes skin sort of a thing. So it like just goes that way and joins like his face. So there's lots of these sort of wrinkles then again. You get like a little lip line here. Stiff upper lip. Stiff upper lip, old boy. And then these sort of lines kind of start to wrinkle around his shoulder then. It'd be great if we could ever communicate with them. Okay, so there's lots of wrinkles on the belly, but we get like the main shapes first. So the fin, this main fin here, right? So we get like his shoulder area, and then this comes back off down here. So again, like a torpedo with fins, and then it's real bumpy along the bottom. It's kind of like a sword, sort of, you know, like a serrated sort of sword. Very bumpy. And then there is some like wrinkles and stuff all coming around here. And then there's an edge to his fin. And sometimes you might get like barnacles, you know, like that circle's just things stuck to his skin. I think in Ireland we call them cockles, you know. The other fin then comes off the belly here on the other side of his body. And then we'll finish this torpedo sort of shape up to the tail fins. So we'll just go curving back. And then this way. And he has some little, yeah, there's like a fin here. And then it looks like another one, but I'm not sure if that's on all whales. Just like another little one there. And then this comes around. So like his spine kind of keeps going up the middle, you know. But then this one comes out. And then you have two big fins, two big tail fins. Coming around and up here. Like so. And then, so this just like has a little spike and then comes back down. Down and up. Spiking up to there. And that's like the main shapes, right? So he's got like lots of wrinkles here. He's more smooth on this skin, but there's still like barnacles and like some scars and all that. If you want to make it like Moby Dick or something, you know, he's like a battle ready whale. So we'll add some textures to the smooth part, like not that much, not as much as say the belly part, but still it is a bit textured. I'm just following the shape. And then I might give him a scar, a couple of, like he's been attacked by something big that we don't even know exists. Sorry, I bet you my head was in the shot there, was it? And right, so then all this is like lots of deep wrinkles, right? So like lots of textures. So it's like this, right? So it just like starts to wave, and some of it overlaps, like, do you know, like scales nearly. But it's just sort of more near the top does this happen. So you could like do just like a one wavy line to get you started, you know, like just go all down the belly and around, following the shape for the belly, and then you can start breaking up these shapes, you know, like that. So it's kind of up to you what way you want to do it. And just kind of have fun with it, you know, see how far you can take it. And then I'll add some like little sort of bumps to his skin up here. Kind of this sort of bumpy texture stuff is only near the top, it seems anyway. Kind of dissipates as you get down there. Just kind of thicken up his lip line, just make this look a bit more dark, make it stand out a bit more. And then I'm going to do like some bubbles and like as if he's underwater. So just some like barnacles on his tail and stuff. But there you go. I think that's the best I can do. Blue whale. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.